Hi, I'm Rohit.
What's my favorite food? How dare you even ask?
Hey, my name is Zubair.
What's my favorite food? There's only one right answer to that. It's obviously pizza.
But my favorite dosa is masala dosa from Karnataka Cafe. And I'm sure Bangalore ka dosa is different than a Delhi ka dosa. But how different can it be? There is only one way to find out. What's up? Zubair, my man, the Z man.
Rohit, all the way from Delhi.
Yeah.
In the south.
क्या बिरयानी खा के आया?
Hey, तू जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है? Okay.
But this is not Zubair from Hyderabad. This is Zubair Macha.
And this is not Rohit from Delhi. It's Rohit Magga.
In this video, we are going to eat dosa like a Bangalorean.
Let's go before the traffic starts building up like it does in
That's
Bangalore.
true. Let's
Come,
go.
Let's go.
This side? Actually this side.
Yeah. Okay.
Today, we will be trying the famous Bene Masala dosa everywhere we go and see how it surprises us.
Alright, bro. So, no, bro, we are Machas.
Macha, Maga, Da and Ra I think are very similar only. I'm just scared of Sudeep. That's my only concern. Yeah.
Who's Sudeep?
My only concern was when I landed here that Sudeep shouldn't show me too much cock, bro. You know. That was my only.
Who is Sudeep?
See, if you have no context, this is so weird for you. But you guys all get it now, obviously.
This place has been there for
More than 90 years is what I've been told.
fucking head. Wow, man, this table looks pretty sturdy for it to be 90 years
Honestly, pretty good. I don't know how they did it.
old. This is obviously renovated, but this place serves one of the most authentic dosas in Bangalore.
Sorry, what did you call it?
Dosas?
Dose.
It's dose.
Dose.
Not teen se, not char se.
Chese maybe.
Okay.
But mostly dose.
Mostly dose.
Yeah. But I don't think there's a right or wrong to this. People say doshe.
You might just get killed over here in Bangalore.
Yeah, here
If you
it-
say doshe.
People will get pissed.
Yeah.
Sorry. They didn't. I hope they didn't hear it. You saw the line outside.
Yeah, what is that line about, bro?
People are just standing there Saturday morning
Yeah.
or 1 ghanta waiting.
Why?
Apparently because the dosa is that good.
Dose.
No, I'm so sorry.
Woo! थोड़ा छोटा नहीं लग रहा है ये?
मेरा थोड़ा बड़ा है और.
What are we talking about again? So hard, bro. Again, I'm talking about the dosa.
No sambar? But with dosa it's a given, no?
I know.
French fries and burgers, dosa and sambar.
Absolutely.
Rohit and Zubair.
Wow. Yeah, well said.
Come on, bro. Wow, bro. I can't really say I miss the sambar now.
Honestly, right? But this is like a completely different vibe. It's not a sambar vibe at all.
Yeah. This time I'm gonna try it without the pudina chutney, just to see if it makes a difference or not. Overall, I fucking love it, bro.
Killer.
Have you had anything like this before?
Not dosa without sambar. That's kind of like my go-to thing. You need sambar. But here, I think the whole game is only different, dude.
Everything is coming together so well. It doesn't feel like something is missing or something is extra. And then that, by the way, that spice is still lingering, bro.
The line outside is a little now, I understand it more. I'm able to fathom it. Because when I walked in, I was like, how good can it be? He like to warrant a line like that. Again, I get it.
Shall we move on to the next one? I'm so excited for the other ones, bro.
If we are starting off only this good,
Exactly.
what kind of dosa does Bangalore have to offer?
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I'm so scared about the traffic, bro, because that's all you hear about Bangalore. And
you
great
hear.
weather.
Yeah, great weather, bad traffic.
Bad
That
traffic.
is Bangalore, is all I've heard. And up until now, kind of true only.
That's true.
It has been.
The moment I got out of the flight, I just felt like a fresh blast of AC. It's like, what is this? ये कहाँ से आ रहा है ठंडा हुआ? It's like, wait, this is nature.
Seriously, even in Hyderabad, it's really hot right now. In Delhi also, I think it's super hot.
Too
now.
hot, bro. You can't go out. Even though we are go out, we don't want to go out.
ये जो टेबल का वाइब है ना,
Yeah.
the plastic table hits different.
Yes,
It really does.
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh, I didn't break actually. It just went in. My finger game is quite fast, bro. This is completely something else, man.
Yeah.
This is a totally different person that we just met.
See, that was also aloo. This is also aloo.
Yeah.
How is it so different?
Even the sambar is making it different, bro, because it's very tangy.
It's its own thing completely. To be fully honest, I didn't expect it to be this good.
These are two completely separate things.
Apples and oranges.
Yeah.
But dosa.
Exactly. Let's just take a few more bites and then we can go to the other one.
Honestly, I just want to extend this so that we can just keep eating this.
Right.
कुछ तो बोलेंगे यार, हाँ ये see there's a lot of holes in this dosa, and this is like the 4th time I've seen her.
Oh, you want to close the camera?
Oh, close the camera like ऐसा. Sorry, I don't know what. Explain it to me in more detail, no? How to close the camera?
Take a few more bites. I'll explain. So after 45 minutes of traveling, we have reached
Mawali tiffin rooms, da.
Mawali? Mawali.
So now we are at the iconic 100-year-old MTR.
Back of my hand, I've been coming here since I was a child.
Since your childhood to MTR.
Can you see my uncle?
Oh,
That's
Uncle
my-
Ji.
Okay, jokes about this place is actually 100 years old.
The first Rava Idli in the world, MTR.
Pour it, yeah. Go ahead, yes.
Ooh.
It's actually very tasty, bro.
It's really nice. The ghee is like really adding a lot.
Nice, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Just dosa after this. That's my mama.
Oh, Arey, Mama Ji, sorry. I think this is authentic.
Yeah.
Because how much more authentic can it get? It was invented only here. It looks like if Apple made a dosa.
It's like fully packed, bro. Like you can take it somewhere. Like you can carry it like a clutch, bro.
मेरे को भूख लगी जब.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
How is yours always so
Precise? I
precise?
told you, man. The finger game.
I think Bangalore boys take their ghee very seriously.
And their butter also.
And they're doing a great job at it. I think. How is it so distinct, no? It's so different.
But this is the closest to the dosa that I've had.
Is this, are we talking about Delhi dosa?
Let's call it Delhi dosa. This is something I can say कि हाँ ऐसा टाइप का मैंने कुछ खाया हुआ है.
More palatable.
Yeah. Bro, did you know MTR broke the world record of making world's largest dosa?
Rava idli was invented here.
Yeah.
The world's largest dosa. Your mamu works here.
That makes it more iconic than making the largest dosa and inventing rava idli. I think my mom was. Bro, before we finish this and stuff ourselves up, do you know where we're going?
No, please tell me. I'm so excited.
Let me just show you instead of telling you.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. How are dosa like in Hyderabad? Like,
It's never really about the intricacies of the dosa. It's more about the availability of it. It's not like, oh, I need to find the best dosa or any of that. Because you will find dosa bandis everywhere. Every few hundred meters, there will be a dosa bandi. And people go there all the time.
we are at the famous Vidyarthi Bhavan in Bengaluru.
And you see how it looks a little empty right
Little-
now.
It's completely empty right now.
Yeah.
But that's just because we are privileged. We are from Zomato.
Or else apparently you don't have space to walk or breathe around here. It's just absolutely packed. There's stacks of dosa
Exactly.
coming in,
Yeah.
coming out.
You have to get it on the skin also, bro. A little.
That's saved for later.
Yeah.
बाद में भूख लगी जब.
What is this though?
It's a coconut chutney, but there are a few secret spices which I will tell you all after tasting.
Secret spices.
Wow. You also haven't been to any of these places,
No, this is
your
the first time for
huh?
all of these.
तेरा virginity ले रहा है ना Bangalore.
Yeah, they took it all.
Usually in like different places, wherever I've done this, it just breaks it. Over here, as you can see, it feels like a bullet went through it.
A lot of Kannada-based movie stars and just general celebrities come here.
Yeah.
But they can't sit in the regular space because it's so crowded and like thoda star attitude.
Where do they sit?
They have a different floor.
We are also those stars, no? Now.
Yeah, of course.
You're superstar. I'm mega star.
Mega star.
Oh man.
Every time I come to these places, my expectations are lower because I'm like, okay, the hype is so much. How good can it actually be?
Exactly.
But I'm thrown off immediately.
81 years old, bro. Fucking hell.
Just like India को independence मिला and these guys were like, bro, dosa.
Men see dosa, men happy.
मैं need dosa.
I think we have a flight to catch.
We have a flight to catch for the next dosa. So let's just jaldi se web check in and let's go for boarding.
Let's go.
Okay.
चलो. Guys, so we have finally cut a ticket and landed at Airlines Hotel. What do you call a tree that wears lingerie?
I don't know.
Banyan tree.
Too much cockpit you're showing.
So apparently, my sources have told me that this is where all the big important people have their big important meetings.
And this has become really iconic because of this banyan tree. What the? I can't. Dude, during this entirety of this video, we have become so Bangalorean. I feel like even the way we are talking.
I think if there was a graph of Ra and Da that
Yeah.
we've used throughout our life,
Yeah.
these two one day must have been like, there's Ra, Da, and then
Yeah.
never again we'll say it.
If people watching this and we make this into a game, like every time you hear Da and Ra, you take a shot.
Oh, dude, we're lost. We won't even start the video and we'll just be like, oh, Ra, Da. Slutty. I really like this.
This is how it is, bro. This is the sambar I've had in Delhi. And in general, everywhere I go. God damn, bro. I just undressed this dosa like...
bro.
This one is breaking easily.
You can see because it's thinner. This is, I think,
Yeah.
one of the thinnest ones we've had.
That's true.
I think if you're a non-Bangalorean
Yeah.
and you're like, hey, मेरे को थोड़ा घर वाला डोसा चाहिए.
Yeah.
Airline is the place.
Absolutely. Ah, crash. Woo!
Which dosa do you think really resonated with you?
I personally liked the MTR one the best.
MTR is a good one, dude. Good one.
मेरे घर का भी है ना तो.
अरे यार.
Absolutely. Which
For
one is
sure.
yours?
I think CTR has to take the
Yeah.
cake or take the dosa.
Take the dosa.
So I was asking one of the guys over here, why does anyone stand in line for like an hour for this?
Yeah.
And he told me, it's about the experience of it. It's not just the dosa.
Yeah.
It's about, okay, it's a Saturday, I go out with my friends, I'm gonna stand in this thing, I'm gonna go achieve this dosa.
Yeah.
And I think that's what it's about, and I really like that.
Please let us know which one your favorite is in the comment section below. And if we missed out on any authentic ones, please let us know that also so that we can make a part 2 of this video and become even more Bangalorean, da.
Oh no, da, I don't know if I can do that much, da.
What da? Maga, let's go, man.
Let's go, Maga.
So if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to
Go out, buy Zomato. चुंदरी के पीछे क्या है?
थोड़ा स्वीट टॉक करना घी को थोड़ा सा पिघलेगा ये तेरे लिए
Hey baby, ghee.